Alright, I have an idea.
If I had a nickel.
You mean nothing to me.
You have yet to learn and you just
to be the president of my super fan of nuts and bolts, fellows. What's the bomb? This guy's as funny as a jive cum.
Hey, yo, the beast is here! Oh.
Does your brain matter God make me smart?
Yours is on a cold poundfish. Because I've always loved it.
Because you're answering the question. Answer the question! Do not shoot him!
Cyberman is a racist.
Stop it! I do believe this is a racist. Hit it, son! Alex may be a streamer. Alex, stop streaming right now or I'm going to exterminate you.
Congratulations.
I'm gonna exterminate you from my heart, my soul, my friends list. Just kidding, not the friends list. You can't find me! No!
CK.
I'm going to exterminate you now! Nothing stop! Oh no, you got for now! Got it! Don't do it, you're gonna get banned by the BBC. They will never have a job again! But I want to say it really badly! Yeah. Do not say it! But it's funny! No! Fine. I will not say it. Good, darling.
Oh, I don't know Japanese.
JK!
I'm lame.
I don't think the best Minecrafter on the planet could save me from the fate I've put myself in. I'm gonna piss everywhere, dude.
Brandon, your pilots fucking suck.
Dinner? Oh, fuck. I got owned.
Yo, battle pass.
Battlefield Battle Pass? Jeez.
Yeah. What season you on?
A fucking bird was chasing you and... Oh.
Brandon, I wasn't even gonna fucking shoot you, you hoe. Do Lansing.
That's what it... That's how it's pronounced?
What, Lan?
You did have to cut me!
It's kind of fun.
Except for the floating lights.
It's kind of fun when there's actually like a little amount of people.
What is this fucking alien?
I got your ammo, pick it up!
Stop laughing! I can't!